Good morning on this day after Thanksgiving. Hope you had a nice holiday. It was the day that we thought it might be. The clear skies on Thursday, 56 degrees in Portland was fabulous. But as you folks know, watching us down in the Mid-Valley areas, Salem, for example, it never cleared. Temperatures were only around 44 degrees. Okay, lots of talk about how cold it's going to be next week and whether or not lowest elevations will see some snow. So I want to touch quickly on today, then jump into that. What time is it right now? It's coming up on 10 o'clock in the morning. Portland at 41, kind of chilly, pouring a little bit of mist out along the river. Notice on the day planner, 94% chance of rain at 1 o'clock. So rain's coming in. Remember, we have a cold front that's coming in this afternoon. Right now, the bulk of that rain is still sitting offshore on the radar. But this tool that you can find both on my app and on the homepage of my desktop site, the weather model rain forecast, shows solid rain at 3 o'clock this afternoon in green over Portland. We could get into steady rain as early as 1 o'clock, and then that would be light. If that's the case, it would pick up during the day. This rain band is tracking to where, if it holds on the current timing, the back edge would be through our area before 6 o'clock, and then we go on to be mainly dry this evening. So we're watching that, but that's a big question. Exactly when does the steady rain band hit, and exactly when does it come to an end? I do want to jump to the 7-day, and let's just go ahead and talk about this. So 47 today. Tomorrow looks dry during the day. Might get lucky and see some sunbreak activity. The morning hours, some of you could easily be back down close to freezing, so we'll watch that. And then moisture returns Saturday overnight and Sunday. It's a pretty good cold front. This is all rain with snow levels during the day dropping down to 2,000 feet. And there are winter storm watches issued for the Cascades. So again, for travel coming home on Sunday, this still looks to be a snowy mess up in the Cascades, but all rain in the valley. Maybe we get a half of an inch of rain out of all this, but the raining more than not, temps in the 40s. And then that breaks into showers on Monday morning, 37, 44. Here is the first snow flake of the season, if you will, on the 7-day right there. That's Tuesday morning. And I have one again Thursday morning. So Tuesday is a showery day. Probably not a lot of total moisture, but if we get breaks in the cloud cover, we could be at lowest elevations down to around freezing in the morning. And if there's a shower at that time, it could be a snow shower. And if it's a decent snow shower, there could be some dustings, but during the day we warm up to 43. So maybe some slick spots Tuesday morning for early travel. Otherwise, that's not a big deal. Wednesday, the next system coming in is pretty wet. Early indications are this thing, Wednesday into Wednesday night, has the potential to be 3/4 of an inch or an inch of rain. I think this will be all rain, 36 to 43. Pretty good southwesterly flow kicks up ahead of this. And then Thursday is like Tuesday. If we get a scattered shower forecast, if we get enough breaks in the action cloud-wise, we'll be down near freezing Thursday morning with the chance of some scattered snow showers. And actually, daytime highs Thursday may not be much above 40. But again, it's a scattered showery deal, maybe some icy spots in the morning. I do want to let you know, models after that vary greatly. Right now, I'm going with the European model, which is all dry on Friday, and it shows a warm front coming in a week from today, that following Saturday. And it's too soon to tell because the models aren't putting the weather elements on the map in the same spots, but certainly I'm watching and waiting to see if cold air in place Saturday morning would hold as moisture moves in, and we would have a winter event of some sort significant. That would be a week from today. So we'll just keep focused on that. I'll keep you updated. In the meantime, enjoy this Friday after Thanksgiving. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about this YouTube channel. And again, the weather site that I update is my own property. This is portlandweather.com behind me. I'll talk to you soon.